Hi guys, so hope everyone is fine. So today in Dubai it's a special day because it's raining here. So as you can see on my glasses, on my car glasses, you can see the rain everywhere. So this is the rain of Dubai. So here it's raining and it's very cloudy as well. So it might not stop for the rain. It might be showering for little more time maybe because it was very cloudy and it started raining here. So we Indians, it is a normal thing. Raining, it's a normal thing, but in Dubai it is a bit special because in a desert place if it rains it is a bit special. So see, you can see how it's raining here. So everywhere it's raining. After a long weekend, so everybody was in a mood to go to office, daily routine works. But today, all of a sudden, it started raining. But still, okay, the weather will be good. It will be pleasant here. So let's see how it will be. Now it's raining heavily, It's raining heavily. Water everywhere. Has not stopped. So it's raining heavily now. What happens is here in Dubai usually it won't rain naturally, so usually it will be seeded. So the rain is not a natural rain here, but sometimes it happens, but I don't know it is true or not, because here it won't rain. So this is the speciality of the rain here in Dubai. So today it's been raining from morning 10:30. So here nearly it's around 1:30 now. It's continuously raining. So today the weather will be very nice because on some days it was feeling little hot, but as it is raining today, the weather will be very nice. It will be like a heaven. Okay then, see you. Bye.